How to fix Instagram feeds won't repost easy and quick. If you want to fix this repost problem easy and quick, it's all you have to do, just go to settings, go to apps again, and then go to feeds and stop it. Then go to storage and clear cache, and after that just go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then just try turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and that's it. Then your problem must be fixed. And now just that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.